Hello, so in this video I will explain how to use Scene tool. Scene tool is located below layers, and this tool can provide you some options and possibilities to create nice video and nice animations from your project. So basically my recommendation is to read all these steps. So here we have steps: add a scene, delete a scene, updates a scene with current camera and environment settings, adds an animation, view, edit animation camera, place the animation, select a scene to edit properties, double click a scene to view it, add an animation and nest scene under it to modify transitions, pauses and camera speed. Export your animation by going to File, Export and selecting as video. Okay, so let's try. Let's create scene. So let's say scene 1. Let's change position. Create additional scene, I think. Okay, scene 1. Let's add an animation. Okay. And let's add an animation too. Edit animation cameras. Okay, so I can see how the camera is positioned. Okay, so in this animation one, I created and added 2 scenes, and if I click start, I see nice animation. And I created loop, so it goes and creates nice loop. So I activate animation 2, and in this case, I can continue around my building. And let's see animation number 2. And to export this one, I click export locally and so I'm not sure, maybe this will work only also if full version is activated. Okay, so thanks for your attention.